Hello, everybody. I'm only going to talk for like 2 minutes and then I'm just going to explain what I'm doing today and kind of just show what my closet looks like now and what the idea is in my head. Basically, I have a lot of clutter in my room, a lot of clutter, and it makes me really anxious and really nervous and really angry, and I can't stand clutter. I'm not living in a functional room. My room is pretty spacious, it's just that I share it, so it's me and my boyfriend. If it was a room for one person, it'd probably be plenty of space, but it's just not. By the way, I run out of breath or I breathe really heavy a lot in my videos, and I think it's because I have anxiety, but I cut it out a lot. So if I breathe really hard, that's why, and I'm really sorry. I'm going to show you guys the room now, the area of the room that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys the closet. I'm going to show you what I'm removing and taking down and what my idea is. I'm actually going to start by taking everything. I don't like this strategy, but I think it works the best. And Mr. Kate said things get really messy and ugly before they get pretty. So I'm going to take everything out, almost everything out of this closet, throw it on my bed. That way I can also remove the things that I don't need or want, and I can put everything back neatly. So let me show you guys. I'm going to take the camera in and then basically going to get started. I'm really excited about this. We're going to start. I don't remember. If I breathe heavy, I'm sorry. I just can't breathe. So I have really bad asthma. That's probably why too. All right, let's move on. Okay, so let's go into my closet first. That's my boyfriend, that's my closet. Originally, we had both of our clothes in one and coats in that one, but now it's just separated. Down there, I keep a litter box. So, if you don't know, you have to have one box per cat, and I have 3 cats, so I keep 2 at most, and it's very hard to maintain, and we put that wood there just so the odor wouldn't seep through to our clothing. But yeah, that's where I have litter box, litter, cat food, and behind all that is Halloween costumes. Here I keep baskets with back there I'm sure there's a lot of junk. And here is a bunch of the cat stuff, so collars, wipies, nail trimmers. That's all my hair stuff, so hair dryer, curling iron, straightener, brush, bunch of different things. And in that other basket was cat food. I keep my shoes up here on my boyfriend's side. I don't have anywhere else to put them. Up there's blankets, more shoes, and extra towels. I put that there on the wall for my boyfriend to hang his belts. There's his hat, his laptop bag. I hate this door. It just looks so cluttered. This little wooden piece right here on the door, my dad built it for me, which is pretty cool. And it's where I hang my scarves. But you can hang anything. I used to hang my pants there. And it's pretty handy. I like it. He made it himself. And that's my bike that I haven't used in a year. Fun fact, I used to ride my bike every day to work for 4 months. Moving on to my closet. I hate this door. So much going on. This belt that doesn't fucking go there. Those are kind of things that drive me like crazy. But anyway, I carry more scarves, my laptop bag. That's my work bag. It's a backpack I use for work. $19.99 on Amazon, and it's amazing, just so you know. I keep my camera here, which is not very practical, and it's just whatever. More backpacks, bags, clothes, too much clothes. A lot of work clothes, though. I have to keep my suits and stuff in here. I hate this. That's all of my boyfriend's tools. He needs tools for work. So he has a huge tool bag, and then this right here that I'm going to kick, that is 2 boxes full of shoes, mine and his, and a bunch of other crap. As you can see, he keeps his helmet there, and it's just basically a mess thrown there. All right. This is my basket of socks. I have nowhere else to put socks in my room. There's absolutely no room. So every morning I have to go in there, grab socks, and everything falls out. It's just bags falling, crap up there. Just very unorganized. And I'm going to use these now to store a lot of our things. and it's going to be 2 in my closet, 1 in my boyfriend's because I have more stuff. And we're also going to put his tools now in his closet and make room for it. I hate the sound of my voice. Anyway, this was my idea to put on the wall, and I fucking hate it. I don't know why I did that. Just more room for us to put clutter. It looks hideous. I'm going to grab those things I just pointed at, put them in these baskets, move all that stuff from those shelves here. So now my boyfriend has 2 shelves for himself, and we could take that thing off the wall. And that's basically it. That is a small overview of my closet and what I'll be doing today. And I'm going to have the help of my sister today too. She's really good at this stuff and she helps me a lot. She kind of did more of the work. Kind of like I gave her what my idea was and she made it happen. So we're going to get started on the video. What I found.
Oh my god!
This is 2 years old.
Ew, don't eat it.
But you know how we like stale hot Cheetos?
Yeah, I know. But that's too stale.
Gotta go. Wait, hold up. Where the fuck is my litter? Is it back here? Nah. Where the hell my litter? Did this bitch just really take my litter? I gotta take a shit and ain't no fucking litter.
Before your buttons were like poppy, now you have like legitimate room to like dance.
To dance.
How?
now.